Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see, something is different. Your girl has her hair done, your girl has her hair laid, your girl's hair is in box braids. Yes, I've done my hair and I'm going to show you guys how I did it in this video, so stay tuned. So everything that you'll need is TV. You'll need Netflix to help you go through the hours, pick your favorite show, whatever it is, and then the important stuff. You'll need a moisturizer or a leave-in conditioner. The one that I'll be using is the Cantu leave-in conditioner to make sure that your hair is well moisturized before you put the braids in. You'll need scissors, you'll need combs. The combs that I prefer to use are the Tangle Teaser and the wide tooth comb. You'll need some clips, and then obviously you'll need the hair. The hair that I'll be using today is the Auto Expression Braid, the Kanekalon in the color number 2. To begin the process, the hardest part of doing your own hair is the teasing of the extensions. Expression hair usually doesn't come teased, so you have to tease it yourself. It's not like darling hair. This can take some time if you actually want to do it properly, which I do. I like to make sure that it's fully teased so that my ends look tapered and they just look a little bit more uniformed and put together. So after teasing a portion of the hair, I like to work pack by pack, section by section. I then like to begin braiding my hair. So I use a mirror to help me braid my hair so I can see how the braid is coming out and how it's looking, just in case it's not looking nice or I've accidentally left out a piece of hair or something along those lines. Don't forget to take snack breaks and eating breaks. So this is what my hair looks like at the end of the night. I have uni tomorrow, so I have to call it a day and go to bed. So the next day after I've come back from uni, I went to uni with half my hair done. This is what my hair looks like. I have left just a small portion. So again, with the same process, we begin by cutting the hair and then teasing it so that it's well tapered. I section my hair in boxes just to make it easier. You can section your hair however you like. So I'm going to show you guys how I prepare the hair. So from the packet, I like to cut the hair in half first, and then I like to cut half of that, and now it's in 2 parts, so then I like to use half of it in full, so I won't be cutting it at all, and then the other half I'll cut it so that it's a quarter. I mix those two together, so when I'm braiding my hair, I take some from the smaller section and some from the bigger section. So this is what the difference looks like in length after it's been stretched out and tapered. As you go through your hair, don't forget to add the moisture to the sections, especially the front of your hair. This will help to actually tame your hair and allow it to lay down and hide better in the braid. As I get closer to the top of my head and as the braid begins to run out and you're on your last packet, I like to pre-plan how many braids I have left and how much extension I have left so that I don't run out of hair. The closer you get to the top, the smaller the sections get, and also the smaller the braid gets. You're not changing it drastically, but as you get closer to the hairline, your braid needs to be smaller because your hairline is quite fragile. I recommend using these clips. They're only about $2 for a pack of 10. They really help to make sure that your sections are clean and precise so that you don't cross over hairs and get other hairs entangled in the braid that you're doing. Towards the hairline, especially the temples, I like to use less hair. So as you can see, I'm removing some there. So this allows me just to maintain my hairline and that I don't damage my hairline or cause any traction. While doing my hairline, I like to clip the section so I have something to pull against so that the braid is taut. The more taut the braid, the easier it is for you to braid it clean. Don't be hesitant to take a single strand of hair out from the braid. This is what I'm doing here. I can feel one hair is really tight, so I'm actually like pulling it out really gently from the braid. I take all necessary precautions to make sure I protect my hairline. So this is what it looks like done before I've done anything else to it. So I'm going to show you guys the final steps that I do after I've finished braiding my hair. So I like to boil a full kettle and put that into just a bucket. And then I like to dip my braids into the hot water, making sure I do not burn myself. If you need help, ask someone to help you. I've been doing this for a while, so I can do it on my own. And this pretty much seals your ends, so all the tapered ends and all the parts that are not really braided down the bottom, they'll seal and they won't unravel themselves. So after that, I like to go in with the old school method of a candle, just making sure that I burn off all the little fray ends. Don't burn your own hair. This is when it's really important to make sure that you've tucked your hair in. After that, I like to go in and moisturize my scalp just to make sure it's nice and shiny and well moisturized. I will be going in with jojoba oil. It took me no more than 12 hours. I wasn't really counting, but I watched all of the Hunger Games saga and 3 Madagascar movies, so you guys do the calculations. So this is what it looks like at the end. So I hope you guys have liked this video, and I hope it's been helpful for you guys to see how I do my hair and how you could possibly do yours to save some coin. Make sure to comment down below whether you do your own hair, whether you try and do your own hair, and like the video if you like the video. Make sure to turn your notification bell on so you don't miss a video every time it's posted. I love you guys so much. Mwah.